L stands for leadership. We know that when it comes to communication skills in particular, that good communication skills don't necessarily parlay into good leadership. However, great leaders are always effective communicators. Under my administration, I plan to have our members excel in both capacities. O is for opportunity. This is the most important tenet under my administration. That's because as a woman and as a person of color, I've had so many doors slammed in my face that I thought my first name was Slam. That being said, I decided at one point to build my own door. And then I built a house on top of that door. And then I decided, you know what, Shanita, build multiple houses. And in those multiple houses, I have many doors that are open to like-minded people like you, my fellow Toastmasters. V veers into values. Toastmasters is an investment. It is an investment of time. It is an investment of energy. It is an investment of your thought processes. When you sit on these sessions with us, my goal is to make sure that you leave them somehow different and hopefully better than you were when you first joined. I want every meeting to feel like it's a personal love letter that's written to each and every one of our Toastmasters members.